Myself Prayag Patel, working as assistant professor in IT/ICT department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now in today's video lecture, I will discuss about the exponential generating function. We already know what is the generating function. Here we include the exponential part in the generating function. Now for a sequence A0, A1, A2, A3 of real numbers, f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square upon 2 factorial plus a3x cube upon 3 factorial. So this thing is used for the infinitive time. Then we write the common equation for the f of x is equal to sigma I equal to 0 to infinitive a of I xi divided by I factorial. So here first term is a a0, second term is a a1 raised into x raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial, then third as a a2 x raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial, like this. So simply we can say that the a0, a1, a2, a3 all are the sequence, and for this sequence function f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square by 2 factorial, like this. Now here is called the exponential generating function for the given sequence. So this function f of x is called the exponential generating function for the sequence a0, a1, a2, a3, like this. Now here consider the example for understanding the exponential function. Example number 1. Examining the Maclaurin series exponential for e raised to x. We already know the series e raised to x equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x4 by 4 factorial, like this. So we commonly write this equation as a sigma I equal to 0 to infinitive xi divided by I factorial. So this is just series e raised to x. Now, so e raised to x is the exponential generating function for the sequence 1 1 1, because here coefficient with multiply is 1. So the function e raised to x is the ordinary generating function for the sequence 1 1 1 upon 2 factorial, 1 upon 3 factorial, 1 upon 4 factorial, like this. Now second example, example number 2. Here, in how many ways can 4 of the letters in E, N, G, I, N, E be arranged? So from the given word, you have to select the 4 letter. So how many ways for writing the 4 letters combination from the given letters? So here in this table, we consider the different possibilities for writing this E, N, G, I, N, E. According to only we have to select the 4 letters. And we here consider the different 8 possibilities are there. So in this table, size for from the letters E, N, G, I, N, E along with the number of arrangement those 4 letters define. So here first is E, E, N, N, then E, E, G, N, then E, E, 1, I, N, E, E, G, I, E, G, N, N, E, I, N, N, G, I, N, N, E, I, G, N. These 8 are the different way. Now here, in some case, both the time E repeated 2 times and N repeated 2 times. In some case, E repeated 2 times, G and N is single time. In some case, N is repeated 2 times and G and I or remaining all are single time. So we can say that when both are repeated, E is repeated and N is repeated, then first case. So for the first case, arrangement possible for this is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because total element is 4 and E is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial is divided, then N repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial once again divided. Now for the second case, E, E, G, N, here 4 factorial for the total, E repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So we can directly write the 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So in all the cases where one element is repeated and the remaining 2 elements are different, then our answer is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So here we consider this all the case. Now last case, E, I, G, N. That means all the elements are different. That means 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. That means answer is 4 factorial. So these all are the possibilities for arranging this 4 letter. We now obtain the answer by means of the exponential generating function. So here we use the exponential generating function and find the answer. So for that, for the letter E, we use 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial because there are the 0, 1 or 2 e's to arrange. So in any case, we can use the 0e, 1e or 2e. That means our answer is 1 for the 0e, x for the 1e and x square upon 2 factorial for the 2e. So common formula for that is 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial. Now same way, here we use the for n or for e, we use the same formula. Not that. The coefficient of x square divided by 2 factorial is 1 because here x square divided by 2 factorial coefficient considered as a 1 because here no any multiplication is available. The number of distinct way to arrange this e is considered as a x square divided by 2 factorial. In like manner, we have 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial for the arrangement of 0, 1 and 2 n's. So same way for the n we use the same formula n. Now g and I occurs only one time. That means we can say that this is occurs for 0 time or 1 time. That means our formula is 1 plus x only. No need to add the third term as x square divided by 2 factorial. Only two terms 1 plus x. So now from these three components we consider here consecutively we find that here the exponential generating function is f of x is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial. We use 2 times for n and e and 1 plus x used 2 times for g and I. So total we can write the f of x equal to 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial power 2 and second part is 1 plus x raised to 2. Now we claim that the required answer is the coefficient of x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial in f of x. So in order to motivate our claim, let us consider the 2 of the 8 ways. Here total 8 ways are available. Now we discuss about the 2 ways from these 8 ways in which the term x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial arise in the exponential of f of x equal to 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial into 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial into 1 plus x into 1 plus x. Here all the 4 terms are like this for n, e, g and I. Now here consider the first case. So first case, from the product x square divided by 2 factorial into x square divided by 2 factorial into 1, where x square divided by 2 factorial is taken from the first 2 factors, namely 1 plus x square by 2 factorial. So from the first and second portion we select the x square by 2 factorial. So we write here x square by 2 factorial 2 times and 1 selected from the last 2 factors. So 1 plus x, from the 1 plus x we select the 1, from the 1 plus x once again we select the 1. So then x square upon 2 factorial into x square upon 2 factorial into 1 is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to, now we write here or we divide the both the portion by 4 factorial. That means here answer is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. The coefficient of x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. It is equal to the number of ways we can arrange the letter E, E, N from the available all the letters. So this coefficient x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial result is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial is our answer. Now here consider the second part. Second part, from the product x square divided by 2 factorial into 1 into x into x. Now in this factor we select the x square upon 2 factorial from the first part, 1 selected from the second part, then x selected from the last 2 part. So last 2 part is a 1 plus x, so select the x from the 1 plus x. Now here x square upon 2 factorial into 1 into x is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 2 factorial. So answer is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. Now we have to find the coefficient of the x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. And here coefficient of the x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial is a 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So it is the number of way the 4 letter E, E, G, I can be arranged. So this is a second case out of this all 8 cases. So now after that we consider the final calculation is in the complete example or complete execution of this process is here the term x raised to 4 is considered as a consequently x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial is represented like this, because for the all the element we already find the value of E, E, G, E, N, N is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. For the second case we find the 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So for all the 8 cases in this table we find the first value as a 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial like this, and we add this all the values. So here addition of all the possible ways is like this. Now result of this all the 8 way is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial up to the last one as a 4 factorial, and multiply this thing with the x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. This is a coefficient value. So here coefficient of the x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial is the our answer. So if we solve this first part, then we will get the 102. So 102 arrangement are possible for these 8 different ways. So this is a simple calculation how we can find the exponential generating function. Now example number 3 for the exponential generating function. Here consider the series ex and e raised to minus x. We already know the series ex, e raised to x and e raised to minus x. So series e raised to x equal to 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial like this. Now e raised to minus x sequence is equal to 1 minus x plus x square divided by 2 factorial minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial like this. Now if we add these two components, that means e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to, we write the common form as a 2, 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus x raised to 6 by 6 factorial like this. Or second way is we use the 2 from right side to left side, transfer the 2 from right side to left side, then we consider the second equation as a e raised to x plus e raised to minus x divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial like this. Now here if we subtract these two components e raised to x and e raised to minus x, then our equation is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x divided by 2 is equal to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial like this. So simply we can say that if we add the two components, then we will get the even sequence. If we subtract these two components, then we will get the odd sequence. So here this is a example number 3. Now next example is a example number 4. A ship carries 48 flags. Here in 48 flags, 12 each of the colors red, white, blue and black. That means 12 flag of the red color, 12 flag of the white color, 12 flag of the blue color and 12 flag of the black color. Now 12 of these flags are placed on the vertical pole in order to communicating a signal to the other ship. So for the communication purpose, if we want to give the signal to the another ship, then we use the 12 flag out of this 48. Now how many of these signals use an even number of blue flag and odd number of black flag? Now first condition of this example is we want to find the even number of blue flags and odd number of black flags. So for that find the exponential generating function for that. So f of x is equal to 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x cube divided by 3 factorial like this. So first thing is for the red color. Now we write the square of the first part, that means for the red and white no any condition are there. So we write the all these common sequence as a 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square by 3 factorial like this 2 times. Now next part is a 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial. Now this part is used for the next color as a blue. So condition for the blue is even number. So here we write the sequence as a even sequence. Now next condition for the black. So for the black flag we have condition as a odd number of black flag. So for that we use the odd number of black flag as a 1, 3, 5 like this. So x, then x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial like this. Now the last two factor, here we represent the condition like blue flag and black flag. Now here we consider the f of x equal to this equation. Now when we solve this equation, then resultant value is f of x equal to e raised to x square, because e raised to x equal to this sequence. Now second part is a even sequence, and even sequence means addition of two element ex and e raised to minus x. So e raised to x plus e raised to minus x divided by 2. Now last sequence is a subtraction of the two sequence e raised to x and e raised to minus x. So third part is a e raised to x minus e raised to minus x divided by 2. Now when we solve this equation, then we will get the result as a 1 by 4 into sigma I equal to 1 to infinity for x raised to I divided by I factorial. The coefficient of the x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial in the f of x is 1 by 4 into 4 raised to 12. That means answer is 4 raised to 11. So 4 raised to 11 signals made up of 12 flag with even number of blue flag and odd number of black flag. So 4 raised to 11 is the answer for our first question for this example. Now second question for this same example, question number B. How many of these signals have at least 3 white flag or none white flag at all? That means you can use the 3 white flag or no any white flag. So here in this situation we use the exponential generating function g of x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial is the first part. Now first part used for the red color, so no any restriction in a red color. Now second question for the white color. So here restriction available for the white color. What is the restriction? Here restriction is at least 3 white flag or none white flag at all. So here we can say that the 1 as a non white flag x raised to 0, so is equal to 1 in second part. Now next condition is x raised to 3 to infinity. That means at least 3 or greater than 3 are possible. That means we write here 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial. Here not writing x or x square by 2 factorial, because this two condition is not considered. Now last part is for the blue color and black color. So no any condition for the blue color and black color. So we write the 1 plus x square by 2 factorial 2 times. So if we use the exponential form, e raised to x is the first part. So e raised to x into e raised to x minus x square upon 2 factorial, because we remove the x and x square by 2 factorial. Then last part is e raised to x 2 times, so e raised to x square. Now when we solve this equation, and we will get the result as a last line I equal to 0 to infinity for x raised to I divided by I factorial minus x sigma I equal to 0 to infinity 3x raised to I divided by I factorial minus x square by 2 into sigma I equal to 0 to infinity 3x raised to I divided by I factorial. Now we want to solve these three parts. So for this three part we have to consider the value of these all the parts. So here the factor 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial is equal to e raised to x minus x square by 2 factorial. So restrict the signal to those containing 3 or more flag. So total flag we can use the 12. And second condition is none of the any flag as a white flag. The answer of this number of the signal is considered as a coefficient of the x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial in our function g of x. Now here in this function we have a three component. In previous slide we already saw the first part of this resultant value is sigma I equal to 0 to infinity 4x raised to I divided by I factorial. Now we solve this result and we will find the answer for that is 4x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial is equal to 4 raised to 12 x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial. So coefficient of the x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial is equal to 4 raised to 12. So our answer for the first part is a 4 raised to 12. Now same way we find the answer for the second part. Second part is a x into sigma I equal to 0 to infinity 3x raised to I divided by I factorial. Now for that, when we solve this term, and we will get the answer as a x 3x raised to 11 divided by 11 factorial. Now find the coefficient of the x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial, and coefficient for this equation is 12 into 3 raised to 11. So answer for the second part is a 12 into 3 raised to 11. Now third part. Third part is a x square divided by 2 factorial 2 into sigma I equal to 0 to infinity 3x raised to I divided by I factorial. Now solve this equation and we will get the result as like 1 by 2 into 3 raised to 10 into x raised to 12 by 10 factorial. Now we convert this thing into x raised to 12 by 12 factorial form, and we will get the coefficient of the x raised to 12 by 12 factorial is a 1 by 2 into 12 into 11 into 3 raised to 10. So this is a coefficient of the x raised to 12 divided by 12 factorial. Now after finding the each value of the equation form 1, form 2 and form 3, we find the consequently the number of 12 flag signals with the least 3 white flag or none at all is considered as a 4 raised to 12 from the first part. From the second part we will get the 12 into 3 raised to 11, so subtract this thing, minus 1 by 2 into 12 into 11 into 3 raised to 11 from the third part. So final answer is 10754,218. So these are the possibilities for selecting the 12 flag from available form. According to our condition, at least 3 white or none of the flag is white. So this is an example for finding the exponential in generating function. Now next example, a company hire 11 new employees, each of whom is to be assigned to one of the 4 subdivision. So total 11 new employees are hired, and here 4 condition or 4 department or subdivision are there. So for condition is each employee, for having a new employee divided into the each and every subdivision. That means one of 4 subdivision consider as a condition who from the 11 is to be assigned to one of 4 subdivision. Now each subdivision will get at least one new employee. This is our second condition. So we have to divide the 11 into 4 part like A, B, C, D, 4 division. Then second condition is each subdivision will get at least one new employee. So you have to compulsorily give the one new employee to each department A, B, C, D. In how many ways can this assignment be made? So for that, here we consider the A, B, C, D as a subdivisions, and here consider the 11 as a new employees. So for example, we consider here 11 is a letter sequence in which we have to arrange the letter in A, B, C, D form. Now the exponential generating function for this arrangement is f of x equal to x plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial 4 times. Why we write here this type of equation? Here we remove the 1. Why we remove the 1? Because no any x raised to 0 is possible. We have to compulsorily give the one employee in each subdivision. That means 1 is not possible. So we consider this form as a e raised to x minus 1. And overall this time use this term 4 times. So we write the e raised to x minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to e raised to 4x minus 4e raised to 3x plus 6e raised to 2x minus 4e raised to x plus 1. Now answer of this result is coefficient of the x raised to 11 divided by 11 factorial is our answer. So find the coefficient of x raised to 11 divided by 11 factorial. So answer is 4 raised to 11 minus 4 3 raised to 11 plus 6 2 raised to 11 minus 4 1 raised to 11, and common form we can write the in form of sigma as a sigma I equal to 0 to 4 minus I raised to minus 1 raised to I for C I for minus 1 raised to 11. So in this lecture we discuss about the how we can find the exponential generating function. Thank you for watching this video.